Saturday morning, and it is exceptionally beautiful because the sun shines so bright and there is no rain. The temperature is just perfect, so we would like to go for fun. Would you like to come with us? Come, let's go! While we are looking for parking, we saw some people having picnic and some people are by the fire pit.
Saan pa ako, anak? Wala na?
Yeah, stop. Oh, there's a parking spot right there.
Saan?
Why did you just drive past it?
Kadarating lang namin, tapos nakita namin sila, mga kaibigan natin. Ayan. Ang ganda ng lugar. Yan, you would see lots of people na meron silang fire katulad noon. Yan. Tapos on the other bridge is may train passing by. Ito namang bridge na to para sa mga maliliit na cars. By the way, behind that bridge is the city of Mission. And if we go around, you would see the city of Maple Ridge. Look at the setting of the sun and the reflection of the water. Whoa, the color, it's so magnificent. And on top of that, you have friends with you to spend the day having fun. Mamaya. Ay, nagsasalita naman ako afterwards. Ganon?
Yan, naka-video ka na.
Ayan. Habang nagaganyan tayo, maglakad tayo. Nagaganyan na.
Pasensya ka nila.
Yun na nila.
Tingnan mo, Maria, ang ganda-ganda. Oh, pakita natin sa iyong mga friends. No, doon ka. Oh, see how nice.
Okay, look at this is a beautiful place, right? To walk and to have some fun. Huwag kayong magstay lang sa bahay because there are lots of things to do in your place, in your area na you can go explore. At we must be very thankful kasi at least wala tayong COVID, right? Hindi tayo infected. Pero makakaiwas ka din naman na to get infected.
That's right.
By going outdoors. Yeah, so I'm hiking and come with me. Nagtatawanan kami because we thought that my camera woman pressed the on button, but then she didn't realize that it was not turned on. And so we didn't capture anything. Anyways, look at the view. Isn't it amazing? The colorful sky, the serenity of the Fraser River, the trail, it's not muddy, the trees. Oh, it's just so perfect to walk, and to walk.
Oo, tambayan ng mga igel. Kaya,
ganun, dahil igel.
Sige, kaya mo? Kaya mo?
Igel talaga. Saan sa mission?
ang tawag ito, about,
Pero may time lang yun di ba? Ngayon wala na siguro masyado.
We are heading back now and you will notice that it is getting darker. You Yan lang inyong hotdog. Ilagay mo yan. Hindi, luto na ba yan?
Hindi palamigin ko na, tapos kayo mo.
Oo, ganun.
Anong kanta yung Boy Scout? Oh do Lord, oh do Lord, oh do Lord, remember me.
Ay, musta?
Pinag-usapan namin ni Mike kung halimbawa galing kang Pilipinas. So wala ka idea kung saan ka titira. Pipiliin daw niya Vancouver. Pero pareho kami, sabi namin, kung magkakaroon kami ng accent, gusto namin UK.
Oo, imagine.
London, di ba? Ikaw, kung magkaka-accent ka, anong gusto nyo?
Ibig sabihin, pogi rin tayo.
Oo, siyempre, di ba? Saka mukha tayo malinis, di ba? Yung mga London, di ba?
Tayo.
Di ba si James Bond London? Oh, yung mga ganong accent, ano? Pero sabi ko, kung titira ako, baka Caribbean, di ba? Tardo, Caribbean. Kung titira ka, galing kang Pilipinas.
Ay, ang ganda na sa akin. Oh, bumuka na. May design pa eh. Aray ko, napapasok kamay ko.
Ito na, ang galing, ha?
Pwede na yan. Noah Centineo.
No Centineo.
Yeah.
Cause like I was like talking to him, and then
At the Starbucks?
yeah, and then
Which Starbucks is it?
It's, yeah, near the Snowflake.
Oh, is that where they film?
They film around there, and then I was like talking to the guy.
Yan ang aking mga anak, oh. We are eating or roasting marshmallow and hot dog. Yan. Ooh, look at that. Look at it. Oh. Sila sa si Bertel. We are by the water. The power of fire. It burns. And it cooks.
Oh, look at yours. Look at those lines. Those nice, juicy lines. You should have a separate.
Tingnan mo yung aking hotdog, anak. Oh, see? Ganda, oh.
You should have a separate YouTube channel for nature.
Nature. I am going to eat s'mores. What is s'mores? It's two crackers on each side, and I have marshmallow and put chocolate on it. And then, ooh. Mmm.
Papa, what does he have?
She has s'mores, I have less. See, I'm eating less. Less chips. She got s'mores, I have less. Got it? That bridge is the bridge going to the mission field. Mission. See the mission. This one is to Abbotsford, this side.
Our day is not done yet. We are heading to the most famous diner in the city of Mission called Rocas.
I ordered the Gladiator, Destroyer of Hunger, Titan of Taste,
What else?
Source of Joy. Yeah. Read the menu. It's over there.
No, there is. Nice, diba?
Here.
Yeah. We are eating inside the car because
There's a big line.
yeah.
We have to wait
Uh-huh.
more than 20 minutes
Uh-huh.
just to get in to this Rocos place or like a diner. This is from the TV show, Myrtle?
Yeah.
What TV show?
Riverdale.
Riverdale? Riverdale?
Yes.
Yes. So it's very popular here in Mission. That's why there's a big lineup. So we just decided to eat inside the car, and it's fun.
Is it really fun? How about you, boy? The gladiator man?
Bro, Duo!